Alright, here's the other bird. You had linkages on it that weren't even the same size. They were these tiny things. I don't know how you thought that was ever going to fly. I put a different canopy on it. I did use one that I had, a brand new set of blades, and a holder. Let's see what happens. First test flight. I guess you didn't charge the battery on it. I didn't check. I guess the battery was dead. But it flies. It says battery dead. Good thing I had it low to the ground. But yeah, she flies. Your battery was not charged. Hopefully it's good. I don't know if it's any good or not. You might have killed it by draining it dry. I'll check it out.